Hi there guys, this is Nikhil from Greedy Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how you can flash the stock ROM or any other ROM on Redmi 2. Guys, I am assuming that you have already rooted the device and installed the custom recovery. Just in case if you are using the Clockwork mod, I suggest you to change it to TWRP custom recovery. Just in case if you don't know how to do that, I have already made a video for that. You can look into that video. I'll leave a link to that video in the description area below this video. So guys, this is the Redmi 2. Let me just go to custom recovery. Now just press volume up and the power button both at the same time. Just give it some time until it enters the TWRP recovery. So just in case guys, if you're assuming that you already have the Clockwork mod recovery, you can install any ROM, then it is partially correct, because you will be able to install any ROM like CyanogenMod or Moki ROM using the Clockwork mod. But if you are trying to flash the stock ROM, you might face some problem. So guys, this is the TWRP recovery. It might look a little different for you because I have changed the theme. So just in case if you want to know how to do that, you can look at one of my previous videos on how to flash the TWRP recovery. So guys, once you are here to flash any new ROM, firstly you need to do a factory reset, wipe the cache, wipe the Dalvik cache, and if it is required you need to wipe the system and then install. So let's start with the factory reset. For that you need to go to wipe, that is the second option. And to do a factory reset you can simply swipe this button over here and it will do a factory reset. And if you want to wipe the cache, Dalvik cache and the system, you need to go to advanced wipe and select these options and simply swipe this bar, and once you do that it will simply wipe all the three of the things. And then go back, and now to install different ROM, simply click on install. If it is in the internal storage you can simply scroll, or if it is in the external storage, click on this option and select external storage. As of now I don't have a memory card in this device, so I'm not getting the Explorer view. Simply say OK, and let's assume that the file is in the internal storage. Let me just select one file. This is the stable ROM for Redmi 2, the global version. Just click on the ROM and it will ask you for a final confirmation. You need to simply swipe this bar to flash the ROM. So just in case guys, if you are getting an error message saying that this ROM is meant for version HM 2014-811 and your device is HM 2014-813, then it simply means that you have installed the wrong recovery on a wrong phone. So make sure that you install the proper recovery for the correct device. A general rule of thumb would be, if your phone is a global phone, like if you have bought it anywhere other than China, then you should install the recovery for HM 2014-811. And if it is a Chinese phone running Chinese ROM, then you must install the HM 2014-813 recovery. So that's it guys, I hope I answered your doubts. If you have any more doubts, then please let me know by commenting below this video. I'll try my best to reply to them as quickly as possible. If you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this.